Hi. All right. So, welcome back to the Gen X Wealth Architect. My name is Ericka L Abrams, and we are talking about the dime. How can a dime help me protect my family? We talked about the first element of the dime, and that's death and debt. So, let's get right into it. The second element of the dime concept is income. So, as a breadwinner, we bring income to the table, right? To fund our lifestyle and our household. And we have to have money to be gainfully earning a living, right? So, if a breadwinner passes away, not only is that person gone in the physical, but the income is gone as well, right? So, when you're thinking about planning for your estate and planning your life insurance program, you want to consider how much income that you want to replace and for how long. So, when I sit down with my clients, I have them think about their holistic lifestyle. If they are coupled, if they're married, also, if they have children or they have young adult children that they're caring for, extended family, aging parents, disabled loved ones, etc. How much of their current income or aspirational income that they're going to be earning in the next several years, right? They may have a promotion coming up. They may be on track for increases in business revenues, things that are not hypotheticals, things that are actually concrete that they're anticipating that will increase their earning potential, right? So they want to plan for that current plus potential future income. So the rule of thumb is you want to think about replacing anywhere from 2 to 5 years of your income that will no longer be there to support your family if a breadwinner passes away. So if someone's making, let's say, 80, $100,000 a year, and if they are the sole breadwinner, they may want to actually increase the amount that they consider to have available for whomever will be handling their affairs in the event that they're no longer here or taking care of their minor children. Okay. So if you're making, let's just, to keep it simplistic, $100,000 a year, and you want to budget for 3 years of your income to be available to your family in the event that you passed away. So that would be $300,000. If you wanted to include 5 years of that income, then that would be $500,000, $500,000. So you want all of those income producing activities to be included in this in most cases, unless for some special reason you don't want to consider that. And you want this to be an important part of developing your estate plan because, once again, even though someone is not here in the physical, we still have financial obligations that our family members and loved ones or minor children are going to need monetary support for. It's just a fact of life. So the I in dime is income. So you want to frame how much income you want to include in your life insurance program. That's just the gist of it. All right. So working with a licensed professional, these are the things that they're going to want to know that are most important to you around having that income available to your family. So again, this is Ericka Abrams, the Gen X Wealth Architect. It's pretty cut and dry. We've covered the D in dime, death and debt, and now we've covered the I in dime, which is income. And that, again, you can take it a step further and you can speak with a licensed attorney that essentially could help you develop a potentially a living will and trust so that you can ensure that what is done with the monies, if you're no longer here, is done to the satisfaction or the design that you desire for your loved ones. And if you have minor children, you want to consider who would be their guardian, how they would be using the funds. Would the funds need to be rolled over into some investment vehicle, like a college 529 plan that can help support their college education, or an annuity? There's different ways that the funds can be used and not just doled out, but could actually be invested in some sort of financial vehicle And that's where an estate planning attorney and estate planning professionals can assist you with that. The integral piece of it is, of course, finding the adequate life insurance program that's going to work for you. And these all work in tandem. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Again, this is Ericka L Abrams, the Gen X Wealth Architect, and I am here to help you to build wealth, protect health, and preserve legacy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.